Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Adornos Navidenos or Christmas decoration play a significant role in bringing the festive spirit alive. During the holiday season, Adornos Navidenos ideas encompass a myriad of creative and heartwarming concepts to transform homes and spaces into enchanting winter wonderlands. The classic elements such as twinkling lights, evergreen wreaths, and sparkling ornaments bedeck Christmas trees, infusing warmth and joy onto living spaces. Traditional red and green color schemes evoke nostalgia and a sense of tradition, while modern themes may explore a broader range of colors and styles. In addition to the tree, Adornos Navidenos ideas extend to all corners of the home, with garlands adorning staircases, mantelpieces, and doorways. Cozy and festive essence like plush, stocking, and scented candles create a welcoming ambiance. Nativity scenes remind us of the spiritual significance of Christmas, while Santa Claus figures and reindeer motifs add a touch of whimsy and excitement, especially for children. Beyond indoor decorations, outdoor Adornos Navidenos ideas embrace the spirit of community and celebration. Houses are adorned with lights and colorful displays, turning neighborhoods into magical destinations that delight passengers by wreaths and bows decorate doors and festive plants like poinsettias and splashes of green and red to porches and gardens. Personalized DIY do-it-yourself ornaments and crafts offer a special touch, showcasing the love and care put into create unique decoration. Adornos Navidenos ideas are limitless, allowing individuals to express their creativity and celebrate the season in their own style, creating cherished memories with family and friends, whether traditional or modern. These decorations imbue homes with the spirit of Christmas, fostering togetherness and spreading joy during their most wonderful time of the year. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.